has got me curious. This app has got me delirious. This app has got me feeling like I need a fucking exorcist.
See what you talking about. Trap. This game got you rondo. Feel like you trapped with the sign.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mixed Breed Entertainment. I'm your host, Big Sassy. And guess what, guys? I hope you can see me right now. And I hope I can get the sound adjusted on the sound through the video so it's not so loud. But yeah, guys, guess what I heard? I heard McDonald's has an adult Happy Meal. Oh my gosh, I gotta check this out. I gotta see if I can find an adult Happy Meal, see what's in it and what comes in it, and see what it looks like. Guys, we're off. We're gonna go over to McDonald's, we're gonna check it out and see if we can find an adult Happy Meal. I'll see you in a second. The adult Happy Meals?
We do not.
You do not. Are y'all just out, or do y'all not carry those no more?
We do not carry.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so well, they didn't have adult Happy Meals. As you can see, I didn't think it was true. At least here. I've been everywhere to try to find these. I might go try to find out whether or not any of the other McDonald's still carry the adult Happy Meals?
No, we do not.
Was that a seasonal thing, or is it y'all just out of them?
It was, I don't know if it's a seasonal thing because they went up for back to back to see, but they said that we're sold out and never get them back. So they don't short this.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you.
No problem.
Dang. Man, what is up, McDonald's? They were short-lived. What are y'all doing, Mickey D's? I was so excited about the adult Happy Meal. I seen it on TV and I was like, man, I gotta go get me one. I was, check this out, let's make a video, and boom. No Happy Meal, man. No adult Happy Meals anymore. They sold out of them and not getting them in anymore. Man, it breaks my heart. McDonald's break my heart, man. Well, guys, as you see, it's short-lived. No Happy Meal, guys. Alright. Till the next one, we'll see what else we can find, huh? Alright, guys. So, as you see in the last video, the tracker, my last Randonautica video, the tracker that was found underneath my car. This is what I found out about that tracker. It is a tracking device, but it has to be linked to a Wi-Fi. And it really doesn't make any sense, right? Because the only way that they would be able to track it with me being in the car is if it was hooked up to the Wi-Fi on my cell phone. Which, if my cell phone is hacked, why can't they just track the location of my cell phone, right? Why go through all the trouble of putting the tracking device on the car that you can't track unless it's hooked up to the internet? And somebody had mentioned in the last video that they were targeting people with zip ties and tracking devices for sex trafficking. Well, I don't think that's what they want me for. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, guys. But I don't think they're targeting me for any kind of sex trafficking. But it just doesn't make no sense. I think somebody just put it on my car for a scare, maybe. But I don't know. We're getting ready to do some Randonautica, so stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, guys, so we're going to do some Randonautica. I got the app out here, we got the Wheel of Fate out, and we're going to be spinning the Wheel of Fate here, guys. Also, I'll get that last video up to 200 likes, guys, and I'll do the one chip challenge, guys. Right now, we've got the Wheel of Fate open, and we're going to bring up us a intent so that we can whip out Randonautica and do a Randonautica adventure, guys. Let's get this in. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? It's a commercial. It's a commercial, guys. It's a commercial. Just wait for it to end. Wait for it to end. Hopefully you guys can see me pretty good. There we go. There's the eggs. There's the eggs. Right there. Come on now. Man, nowadays you gotta exit out of a commercial 10 times in order to get it to go away. Alright, our intent is from the winner on the Wheel of Fate. It landed on Darren Matlock's intent, and it's Leader of the Dark Web. Oh my gosh. Who is the Leader of the Dark Web? Man. Man, oh man. Alright, let's jump over to Randonautica. What is going on? We had a pretty big storm today, guys. Big wind gusts, rain, and stuff like that, man. The internet's not really working very well. Alright, guys. Now it's working. This is good. So, Randonautica out. Here we go with leader of the dark web. Everybody concentrate. It's already there. Alright, there's guys. There he is. I don't know where it's taking us. It's taking us across the street of the cemetery. I know where it's taking us. Alright, guys. We'll see you in a minute. Hit start, journey. Let's hit start. There we go. There we go. Let's do a pinpoint, and we'll see you in a minute, guys. This is where we're at. It's right over there in the corner there. As you can see. We're kind of around here. And this is, like I said, we're kind of in the hood, and this looks like oh no, there's a semi sitting outside. Looks like they work on semis. There's also a cop right here, just red light staring at me, guys, wanting to know what we're doing. I guess I could get out and look around, but let me show you around. I don't think the leader of the dark web is going to be here in the ghetto. We call this the jungle around here. As you can see, I don't know how well you can see on this camera in the dark. That's where we're at. Right over here. Over here is the cemetery, guys. And we go there. Randonautica takes us there to this cemetery a lot. Woo! There's another cops everywhere out here. But yeah, I don't think you're gonna find the leader of the dark web here in the middle of Owensboro, Kentucky. Alright, we'll see you in a minute, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm here at a safe location, getting ready to pull the app back up, and let me see here, I need to check something. Alright, so we got to get the Wheel of Fate out, guys, doing our next shout out. Commercials. So a lot of you are confused. A lot of you are confused about what's going on. There's nothing going on with this channel. Gonna keep making Randonautica videos, some things like that. Not going to stop doing paranormal. Just got a lot of other videos that we're going to be doing. things like that. People want to see a variety of things. So, but all right, guys. So here's the Wheel of Fate. The Curio Show, and it says military object, guys. Military object. So we're gonna open up Randonautica and see where it takes us, guys. Alright, guys. So I got the app open and we're looking for something. The Curio Show, and it's military object. Military object. Military object. Boom. Alright, there we are. It looks like it's just right up the road, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start journey. Hit directions. Alright, there's where it's sending us, guys. Let me hit start again. It's trying to take me all kinds of directions. Alright, see you when we get there, guys. Alright, guys, so we're coming up on our pinpoint. What's up here? Oh, I'm about to pass it up. I did pass it up. Hang on a minute, guys. It says it's here in this parking lot. What is this place? Oh, I must be going the wrong way. We're gonna find a place to park. Yeah, I can park there. There's no yellow line. This is some kind of bar, Legion or something. It's Legion. Okay. Military people, guys. And look what I see. I don't have a flashlight, guys. Sorry. But check that out. That's a big old torpedo right there. What about that, Johnny? What do you think about that, Johnny? What do you think about this big old torpedo? Man. Man. Now that's a torpedo right there, guys. What do you think about that? Alright. That's cool. Alright, guys. So that was kind of cool. I mean, not only did it take us to the American Legion, where you got to be a vet to be in there. They had a torpedo outside. Randonautica not only took us to something military, a military object was our intent, and that was definitely an object. I didn't even know this place was here. That's pretty cool. A torpedo. Randonautica took us to a torpedo, guys. Alright, well, I'm going to go to a safe spot and bring up the Wheel of Fate and do another shout out, guys. See you in a minute. Alright, guys, we got the Wheel of Fate back out. Here we go. Who is it this time? Oh, Doc's Widow. What's going on, girl? What's going on, girl? Her intent is magical. Just something magical. Alright, let's get Randonautica open here. Alright, we got the app open. Here we go. Magical. 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 Bloop bloop. There we go. We're going to hit start journey. Looks like a neighborhood. Alright, start journey. Here we go, guys. See you in a minute. Alright, guys. I thought this was a neighborhood, but it's a park. I don't even... Well, there's one car right there. This is a park, guys. So we're going to get out. See where our pinpoint is. Lock the door. Turn around and lock the door before I needed to lock it. Alright, guys. This is where it's taking me. Got my flashlight here. I'll lock the door up. The reason why I thought it was a neighborhood is because it was pointing behind these houses, and I didn't know this was a park. I don't even know what time this park closes. I don't see anybody here. I mean, I just see that one vehicle. That don't mean nothing, though. We supposed to be here? Is it closed? Hope we don't get in trouble. This is dog park. 10 p.m. So I don't think it's 10 p.m. yet. So that's cool. Dog poo poo, guys. Dog poo poo. Well, I mean, the radius is right here behind these houses, right on this trail. I thought this was a road on the map, but it was a heard something, guys. Did y'all hear that? I mean, I hear cars over there. I guess if there was somebody over there talking, I'd be able to hear it, right? It's not like nobody's out here. I don't know. Could be somebody over there. Over here at one of these houses. I don't see nobody coming up behind me. Not seeing nothing. I want somebody to call the cops because I'm out here with a flashlight walking around their backyard. Ow. Stepped off. Kind of getting out of my radius. Heard something back this way. See that vehicle? That's what I heard. I heard somebody say something and then got in that vehicle. Did y'all hear that? I'm gonna have to play that back. That was right across the street from the parking lot. The car's right over there. What did they say? They said something and then got in the car. I don't even know if the camera picked that up. Don't even know if the camera picked that up. The truck was right there, in there. The car's right here. But they didn't even pull in. Did they even come over here? There it is again. That's the same truck. That's the same truck. You just turned around and come back. It's white. It's white. Tinted windows. Some sort of SUV. I don't know if you guys seen that. Did they put something on my car? Let me check this place out real quick. I'm not seeing nothing. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. What's that? You guys see that? What is that? You guys, there's a zip tie on my fucking door. There's a zip tie on my fucking door, guys. I'm getting away from this spot. Hang on a minute, guys. I'm gonna stay rolling. There's a zip tie on my fucking door. There's a zip tie on my door, guys. Looked like the same kind of zip tie that was on that tracking device. I'm getting out of here. Hang on a minute, guys. I know y'all don't like to see the black. Alright, we're going this way. There is a zip tie on my door. Why is there a zip tie on my door? Why is there a zip tie on my door? A zip tie on my door. I'm freaking out, guys. Let me pull in here. I'm pulling here. I'm pulling here. There's somebody sitting in there. Somebody's sitting in that vehicle back there. I'm gonna pull over here in the light. Why is there a zip tie on my door? Look. Look. Why is there a zip tie on my door? I'm going home, guys. I've had enough tonight. I'm done. I'm done. I haven't been playing for a couple of months. A couple of weeks, something like that, a month or so. And I start playing again, and now there's a zip tie on my freaking door handle. Alright, I'm done.
This app has got me curious. This app has got me delirious. This app has got me feeling like I need a fucking exorcist. See what you talking about. Track. This game got you rondo. Feel like you're trapped with the signs do. Some things I believe, some things might need that C, that I, yo. But try me, that's what you pay me for. Let's talk about it. Got a pen and a paper, let's rap about it. Got a mind that's open, let's talk about it. Yeah, try me. I know it sounds crazy, it's supposed to be a game to me. Now something's stalking me. Feel like some App Dog the other day. See the white van creep up on me, yeah. I was at the pinpoint looking for a bill with a face on it. It was about 11 or 12 something. Found a letter with some blood on it. Tried to call the police, but they said I was stoned with it. I'm so high, blowing them demons, vaping B.
Feel the devils chasing me, chasing demons, judging me. Pass that shit, fuck this paper, show me it. Don't act like I be scared, cause I ain't it, yeah, I ain't it. Wanna see what you see, pin it. Let's ride, let's go peep it, let's go peep it, let's go peep it, let's go peep it, let's go peep it.
Ring around the rosy, to the pin we cozy. The roads out here are lonely, the cold demons on me. Ashes to ashes, we all fall down.
Wait a minute, now hold up. Wait a minute, now hold up. Where everybody go? I'm walking alone, I'm out here. It's spooky as hell, I'm out here. Ain't no one to tell. Hear voices like welcome to hell. Trying to find my patient, but gone like a spell. Walking and walking, I'm talking. Walking and walking, they watching. Walking and walking, they stalking. Drift on my shoulder, they flocking. Voice in my ears is mocking.